Wherever you go, wherever you do go, in this world there's one thing only you can give with a smile to make life worthwhile. It's your heart. Give your heart. You go through this life doing so many things, and you sometimes believe you're a hero, and you don't stop to think of that humble man who gave with his heart to the end. Oh, and serving the poor and the meek, you must look to his kingdom and seek the doors that will come when your work is done, and no harm can be said of a faithful one. Give your heart, give your soul. If it's the only thing left, he will bless you with more. Give your heart, give your soul. It may seem like a lot, but there's so much to gain if you gave like he gave. Oh.